Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're all doing great. Today we're gonna talk about how angles are formed by lines and what are their special relationship with each other. Also, there will be discussion about complementary angles, supplementary angles, perpendicular bisector, alternate angles, corresponding angles, etc. So, without further ado, let's begin our topic. So, our first subtopic is intersecting lines. So they are the one that cross at some point. Like this is the first line and this is the second line. So these two lines intersect, like cross at point O. Like cross at point O. That is the reason these lines are intersecting lines. So our second subtopic is parallel lines. So this is the first parallel line, like this arrow represent a parallel line, and this is the second parallel line. So they are the ones that never intersect. And they're gonna stay parallel. And also a line that passes through two or more lines, that line is called transversal line. A line that passes through two or more lines, so that is called transversal line. So if these are two parallel lines and a transversal line passes through it, so this angle, like angle 1 and angle 2, they are the corresponding angles. So that means the angles formed by transversal line with the parallel lines, like angle 1 and angle 2, they are equal because they are corresponding angles. Also, like this angle and this angle, like angle 3 and angle 4, they are also equal. By property, alternate exterior angles. So like angle this, we call it as angle 5, and angle 5 and angle 2, they are equal to, by property, alternate interior angles. And also call this angle as angle 6. So angle 2 plus angle 6 is 180 degree. By property, sum of interior angles. So these are the things that we need to keep it in mind before solving any problem. So our next subtopic is perpendicular lines. So they are the ones that intersect at 90 degree. For example, if this is the one line and this is the second line, and if these two lines intersect at 90 degree, they are perpendicular lines. Also, if these two lines intersect at 90 degree and divides the line into two equal parts, then it is called perpendicular bisector. Like if these two lines intersect at 90 degree and divides the line into two equal parts, like this symbol represents equal, then it is called perpendicular bisector. And the angles formed by two intersecting lines, if let's say this is one line and this is two lines, and the angles formed by two intersecting lines, like the opposite angles, let's say this is A and this is B, they are equal, opposite angles. So our next subtopic is supplementary angles. So the literal meaning of supplementary is extra boost, like something extra. But in mathematics, the terminology changes. So supplementary angles are the angles formed by a straight line, which is 180 degree. For example, this is a straight line and the angle formed by straight line is 180 degree. This is 180 degree. And if we draw a line like this line, if we draw it, and let's say this angle is A and this is B, but the whole angle is 180 degrees, so that means angle A plus angle B is 180 degree, and this is supplementary angle. And if we talk about complementary angles, like the complementary means complete each other. So let's say this is 90 degree, and if we draw a line like this and make two angles, let's say this is A and this is B, and this whole angle is 90 and the sum of A and B is also 90. So this is complementary angle. Now we're going to do some examples so as to decipher well how angles are formed by lines. So our first example is we are given two parallel lines and a transversal line passes through it and makes angle 120 degree. So we are given angle 120 degree. Let's say this is angle 1, and what we need to find out angle A and angle B. So here we can see that angle A is equal to angle 1 by property corresponding angles, because the corresponding angles are equal, like angle 120 degree and angle A. So that means angle A is 120 degree. So we got one angle, angle A, and we need to find out angle B. Also, angle A plus angle B is 180 degree because they are supplementary angles. As this is a parallel line and this is a transversal line, so angle formed by a straight line is 180 degree. So this is 120 plus B and angle B is 180 minus 120, so it comes out to be 60 degree. So we got angle A as 120 and angle B as 60 degree. So second example is we are given this triangle, like triangle ABC, and we are given two angles, 62 degree and 50 degree, and what we need to find out angle P. So how are we going to find angle P? If somehow we find out this angle, let's say angle 1, then we can easily find angle P, because angle P and angle 1, they form a supplementary angle, because these two angles sum up to 180 degree, because of the property supplementary angles, as this is a straight line and the angle formed by straight line is 180 degree. So in triangle ABC, we know that sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degree. That means 62 degree plus 50 degree plus angle 1, that is inside the triangle, is 180. So this is 112 plus 1 and 180 minus 112. So angle 1 is 68 degree. But we need to find out angle P. Also, angle P plus angle 1 is 180 degree. This is because they are the supplementary angles. So just put this value here. So angle P plus 68. So angle P comes out to be 180 minus 68. So angle P is 112.